We are so excited to celebrate our newest safety rest area here in Wisconsin. Millions of travelers use these rest areas for safe and convenient break from their journeys. Crews have modernized this rest area over the past 15 months to include accessible facilities and an expanded number of truck parking spots to better accommodate the trucking industry's needs.
In the trucking industry, safety is the cornerstone of what we do and how we do it. Drivers, they're the backbone of our economy. They move goods every single day through all sorts of weather, all sorts of traffic conditions, and all sorts of adverse conditions. And we have to take care of them not only when they're moving, but when they're not moving. And this facility today is going to be a big part of that.
We're committed to building a better transportation system for everyone here in Wisconsin, including updates to enhance safety and accessibility.
Big thank you to the Department of Transportation in Wisconsin for listening to the council. The adult changing tables were a dream. It's tremendously nice, and it's moving the right direction, and it's some of the future for Wisconsin.